आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टीचर्स रोल इन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करिकुलम। व्हाई आर द टीचर इम्पोर्टेंट इन द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ करिकुलम? टीचर are the major pillar in the teaching and learning process. Without doubt, the most important person in the practices curriculum is the teacher. With their knowledge, experience and competencies, teachers are central to any curriculum improvement effort. They are responsible for introducing the curriculum in the classroom and outside the classroom as well. तो टीचर ही मेन पिलर है करिकुलर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए। टीचर अपने नॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस से करिकुलम को इम्प्रूवमेंट करता है, क्लासरूम के साथ साथ क्लासरूम की बाहर में भी इसी करिकुलम को इम्प्लीमेंटेशन। टीचर एज ए करिकुलम डेवलपर एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इन टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस, द अदर साइड ऑफ द कॉइन इज ए टीचर. Planning and writing the curriculum are the primary roles of the teacher. A teacher is a curriculum maker. He writes a curriculum daily through a lesson plan, unit plan or yearly plan. The teacher prepare activities for the student to do. Teacher address the goals, needs, interest of the learner by creating experiences from where the students can learn. Teacher design, enrich and modifies the curriculum to suit the learner characteristics. Now discuss role of the teacher in solving problems and proper physical, mental, emotional and social development of the adolescent. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो टीचर कैसे फिजिकली डेवलपमेंट के लिए एक्टिविटीज़ रोल प्ले करते हैं बाय ऑर्गेनाइजिंग वेरियस टाइप ऑफ फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स, by imparting the proper knowledge about physical and health education, by organizing various extracurricular activities. Now, the role of a teacher to proper mental development. All the school teachers should try to impart him necessary guidance as and when required. They should be entrusted with responsibility so as to develop a feeling of responsibility in them. There are individual difference among students. Every child should be able to find out subject of his choice. Now, how to teacher help to proper emotional development? The teacher should try to sublimate the lower emotion of the child. A healthy emotional atmosphere should be maintained in the school. The teacher should try to avoid frustration among the adolescent. Role of a teacher to proper social development. The social development of adolescents should be as follows. He should knowledge about social relation and the art of group living. Various group activities may be organized. A right and rational attitude towards democracy should be developed in the school atmosphere. This would enable the child develop his own philosophy of life. Now, role of teacher in a society. Develop love for children, deal with them sympathetically, develop sense of dedication for his profession, must work wholeheartedly, develop his own personality, develop a knowledge of psychology, should develop sociability. He must take interest in the society he lives in. Now, role of a teacher, student centered teaching and learning focus on the needs, abilities, interest and learning style of the students and has many implications for the design of curriculum, course content and inter-activity courses. A prominent pedagogy will be teacher as coach to provide student to learn rather than the more traditional teaching which place the teacher at its center in an active role and students in a passive.